Well, I picked up the bike yesterday from Bikeaholic, and yeah, they've done a good job. So let's see if we can identify what they've changed. First up, it's got a new chain on it, because apparently if you do a couple hundred k's on a chain, they will stretch. It's got a new cassette on it, which I think has a bit larger gears on the back, so it makes it a bit easier getting up the hill, and it won't jump, so I feel a bit better about that. Brake pads, they've changed out the cabling on this as well.
Oh yeah, they were like so young.
Giving it a clean head check, tune the wheels. There's new cabling on here as well, which is nice. Yeah, and so the bike is riding very nicely.
Oh, such a nice.
Wow, that was a good throw.
Whoa.
This is 1 Watts Street, Lilliput Library. If you're looking for a good book about cycling New Zealand, Biker's Tale, Sean Hellemans, come check it out.